Halo guys, hehehe. Kembali lagi nih ke tutorial vektor. Selanjutnya, kali ini kita akan ngevektor bagian bibir dan gigi. Langkah pertama, seperti biasa klik di atas, lalu klik pen. Pilih warna yang diinginkan. Klik titik 3 dan pilih warna bibirnya. Jika tidak ada, kalian bisa buka yang ada di sampingnya. Komunitas, pilih warna dasarnya, lalu eksekusi.
They keep desiring something that's more inspiring. Their brains rewiring, old thoughts they start expiring. They're never tiring, no now they feel the fight in them. They feel the fire sweep, take over entirely. They feel it growing, it's showing the feelings. They keep overflowing, always stoking the fire. Adrenaline is overloading, hit the mat like a fighter. They never let up, never throwing, giving to their desires. No, they keep working on their focus.
Setelah selesai lanjut ke pewarnaan yang lebih gelap.
Dig deep inside and find anything, everything that you could ever need. Every breath that you breathe, dedicated to believe.
Selanjutnya di segmen bagian yang tidak diperlukan. Selanjutnya di gradien. Jangan lupa diubah warnanya terlebih dahulu. Setelah itu lakukan hal yang sama di bagian yang lebih gelap.
So you better watch out. Reborn now, took a new form now. Straight beast underneath what you see. They gon' eat anything, everything, make them bleed, cut them deep. A villain origin story, tangled with glory. Now it's looking stormy. Off in the distance, hear the roaring.
Setelah selesai lanjut ke warna yang lebih gelap lagi.
For the weak left out in the cold, watched all the sheep do what they're told. Swore they would feast one day on their bones. On to the streets that they called home. Not for the weak left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told. Swore they would feast one day on their bones. With the form of a beast. With the form of a beast.
Setelah itu lanjutkan seperti yang tadi dibuat. Setelah itu lanjut ke warna gradasi terakhir. Warna yang saya gunakan yaitu warna hitam. Lakukan seperti ya saya lakukan. Mudah kok seperti yang sebelumnya. Hehehe. Sama aja, yang penting warnanya yang diubah.
This world ain't never been peaceful. You got good, always butting heads against evil. The good try to be fair, but the bad lethal. They gon' fight dirty, every single one deceitful. Stand up, I wanna see your face. Get your chin up like you belong in this place. We gon' train like you've never trained before. You're going up against something that you can't ignore. This ain't a a game, this your life that we're playing with. There ain't no reset button or an off switch. You gotta
Lanjut
face
ke
your fears,
hikaliket.
you gotta scratch the itch.
Bibirnya
You gotta break
gunakan
through the walls and get
warna
after
yang
it.
lebih
Only
terang.
time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I provide, leaving blood on the pavement. If you're up against me, then you better be praying, cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes, no there ain't no one else. Pick a side by yourself. I got this, there ain't no going back. Leave it all on the battlefield, push the attack. You can't stop me, I'm obsessive. A lot of people think that I come off aggressive, but I'm just passionate. Why aren't you? Ain't nobody care if you got nothing to lose. You gotta put yourself on the line, make moves. Otherwise you'll be a sheep with the lions watching you. Only time will tell.
Setelah selesai lanjut ke pembuatan bagian giginya. Tambahkan layer baru. Pindahkan ke bagian atas. Buat vektor giginya. Di bagian layer baru, jangan lupa sesuaikan warnanya ya guys ya.
Today is the day, don't waste any time, know it's time to make a change. Up in your mind, rearrange, start thinking you're the hero headed out on your way. There's gonna be good times and bad times, that's alright, just stay on the line. Cause in life we all got a different mission, but the good guy always wins, that's a given. If you stay committed, you stay driven, you'll be looking down the barrel of completing your mission. Ignition, light the flame, get the fire and you listen. Take these words deep, cause this is real, ain't no fiction. You don't need drugs, help any prescription, just persistence and energy can win any competition. So keep fighting, facing any opposition, and be the hero in a story you yourself have written.
Setelah itu lanjutkan gradasi yang lebih gelap. Lakukan seperti biasa, ya guys. Di sini saya percepat supaya nggak ngabisin waktu. Jika warnanya kurang, maksud ganti aja ya, guys ya.
Don't know what's ahead of me. I work so hard for everything. Don't wanna lose my time or my mind on the grind, but I want a better life for me. I do the things I hate to do, just to try to find my way to you. I see you in my mind all the time, visualize, and I hope that I can make it through. I gotta find my way out. Wrote a song called Destiny. When I'm in pain, don't let them see. Emotion is the enemy. Therapy
Selesai guys.
chemistry.
Semoga bermanfaat. Nanti kita lanjutkan di video selanjutnya. Ya guys ya.
Sometimes I feel so small against it all, don't know what to do, I just dream of ones and twos. I gotta find a way